So I created 3 different curls on this hair. See, 3 different curls on one particular hair. 3 different curls, one hair. So if you want to know how I created this look, just watch you to the end of this video so you'll be able to know how I created this look. So watch it. Thank you. So we're creating 3 different curls on this wig. So stay tuned and see the magic at the end of this video. Thank you. So since we are trying to achieve 3 different looks, so we'll start by parting one side. So I'm going to be parting the side. So the first curl we're trying to create is the bouncy curls. We're using our Hawaiian silky, then our hair mousse, then the water spray, then the magnetic rollers. So firstly I'm going to spray with water. Then I will add our Hawaiian silky. Then I will add our hair mousse. And I comb it. Comb it then. The next thing I'll be doing is to roll it. So I'll be rolling it this way. This is the magnetic rollers. This is how it looks. Then I'll pick it, then I'll roll. See the way I'm rolling. So I'm rolling it this way to get that bouncy curls to look to the end of the hair. You can see the way I'm rolling it. And I'll clip it. So I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm combing it first. So I've completed one side. You can see the side. This is the bouncy curls we are trying to achieve with this side. So now we move to the next curl, which is the deep wave. For the deep wave, we are going to be using our bendable rollers. So just watch very well. It's a bit technical, just a bit. So just watch the way I'm going to be doing it, so that you can be able to follow when you're doing your own. So I wet it the usual way. Every type of curl you're creating is the same way you're going to do it, but just the creativity that matters. Then I put the Hawaiian silky. So after putting the Hawaiian silky, I put the hair mousse too, as we've been doing it. Then I comb. So this is where the technicality comes in. After combing it, then I'll put my bendable rollers. I'll put my bendable rollers inside, cuff it this way. You can see the way I cuffed it. Then you carry your hairs, you twist. You see the way I'm twisting it there? You have to be very patient with it so that you can get that style you want. So I'm twisting and rolling it. I'm twisting and rolling it. See? I'm twisting and rolling it. I'm twisting and rolling it. Twist and roll, twist and roll. That's how you achieve this Deepwave style. So when you're done, you'd clip it back, the bendable roller, to hold it firm. You can see it as hold it. You can see it twist and fold, twist and fold. That's it. So I'm going to do the same thing round to the end of the hair. For the last step, we are trying to create a spiral curl for that one. So just follow as I'm doing it so you'll be able to understand how to go about it. It's just the movement of the hand that is different. That's why you have to follow it as someone is doing it. So you'll be able to learn it and be able to do it by yourself. So for the spiral look, we use our bendable rollers also. So just follow how I'm going to do it. So I bend it this way. I want to comb it so that I have that smooth finishing. So you roll it. Spiral. I'm trying to achieve a spiral look. So you roll it this way. Instead of the other way we did for our deep wave that we twisted it. This one you're just rolling it. Roll it round. You roll it, you get to the end of the hair. Then you bend it. So we'll do the same method for the rest of the hair. This is the look after styling it. So the bouncy curls, the deep wave, see it very well, the deep wave, then this is the spiral curls. So for this pattern, you must have done your pattern before you start the coiling. So I've parted this hair. This is the pattern I want for this hair, so I've parted it before coiling it. So you must have done it so that it will be easier for you to style. So I'm going to leave this to dry for a couple of days. After it's dried, I'm going to tell you how long it's spent outside to dry. So you leave this one under direct sunlight to dry very well. That's to dry very well. It's the dryness that will give it the curls you want. So I'll show you the dry look very soon. So this is the dry state of the hair. I left it out to dry for 4 days. So this is the 4th day. So I'm about to unveil the curls. So let's start with the bouncy curls. So before we move to the deep wave, let's do the spiral curls. Let's unveil the spiral curls. So now for the deep wave, you have to be very careful with this one. You have to watch the way I'm going to go about it. So I'm going to be using my tail comb. Just watch the way I'm doing it. Just combing it out bit by bit so the curls can come out. You can see the curls is different from the others. So, one hair, 3 different styles. See the bouncy curls, see the deep wave, and see the spiral curls. You can see that there's a difference between the 3 different curls. After unveiling the curls, I will just apply my Mamiyan argan oil to it. Just a little bit of it, just to give it that shine. Just used to maintain the hair. And I'll use my noodles. You know, I always talk about noodles on this channel. I apply the noodles. And lastly, I'll use my holding spray just to make sure the curls hold very firm. So that's the way you would create Heatless curls. If you love this video, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also share with your family and friends, and leave a comment under this post and like this post. Thank you. We love you. See you in our next video. Bye.